Hi everyone, welcome back to One to Step. Today, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Google Play Music is no longer available issue. As you can see that, whenever I open my Google Play Music application, it says Google Play Music is no longer available and it says to explore YouTube Music. If you tap on Explore YouTube Music, then there's another error that says YouTube Music is not available in your area. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Music is no longer available issue, and let's go ahead and make that Google Play Music work in our smartphone. In order to do that, keep watching the video till the very end. Subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to fix Google Play Music no longer available issue, what you can do is simply go ahead and download an old version of Google Play Music. Before that, simply uninstall this application by tapping on the uninstall button. Once you uninstall Google Play Music, go to your web browser from your phone, search for older version of Google Play Music, and from the search result, go to Google Play Music old versions Android. This one right here. This will take you to uptodown.com. Now scroll all the way down and go ahead and select a version that is an older version of Google Play. Let me just go and select this version over here, which is of May 24th, 2019. Simply tap on the download button and download the application. Now wait until the file downloads on your device. Once it does, tap it open. From the pop-up, select Install to install the application on your device. After the installation is completed, tap it open. Allow Google Play Music to access to photo files and medias on your device. And there you go. That is how you can download the older version of Google Play Music quick and easy. But remember that you'll only be able to play the music that is downloaded on your phone with the oldest version of Google Play Music. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.